Hi, Professor Wheeler. I'm Wei Jia Kai. Here is my CIS 9467 midterm project. As we know, Airbnb is an online marketplace for people to lease or rent short-term lodging, including house, apartments, hotel rooms. It has over 5 million lodging listings in 81,000 cities and 191 countries. In my project, I'm gonna use Power Pivot and Power Map to explore the Airbnb booking data of New York cities. My data has come from inside Airbnb.com here. It shows all the available listings from July 5th to December 31, 2018. After download the data, I build a data model in Power Pivot. I have two entities here. The first table called bookings. It has around 200,000 rows of data, and it has listing ID, dates, and the corresponding price. The second table, name listing, contains all the information about one listing, including listing ID, host information, location information, and room detail, such as room type, the number of accommodations, bedroom, bathroom, and it has other information like the number of rating score, cancellation policies here. And from the diagram view, we can clearly see that the relationship between two tables is a one-to-many relationship. Listing ID is the key to link two tables. Let's get back to Excel sheet. Here is the dashboard I created with 4 pivot charts and 7 sliders. On the top left, it's a time series analysis for average price and the inventory on the housing market. The blue line represents the average price. Go all the way down from 155 in July to 145 in October. The market is getting soft since the school summer vacation goes to the end and tourists are back from vacation to work or school. And then with the holiday season coming, we can see that the average price bounced back above 150. On the tab log, on the top right, the bar chart shows the average prices of 5 boroughs. Manhattan has the highest rate at 176 per night, while Queens and Bronx are cost efficient with the rate below 100. On the bottom left, the pie chart shows the percentage of cancellation policies. The majority of the hosts use strict cancellation policy, which means for a full refund of accommodation fees, cancellation must be made within 48 hours of bookings, or at least 14 full days before check-in times. Only 8% hosts take the flexible policies to refund fully with the 24 hours notifications. On the bottom right, the chart indicates the quality of a listing by measuring the number of reviews and the average rating score of 5 boroughs. Regarding the sliders, I have location information, like borough, city, I have room detail information such as room type, the number of accommodates, and number of bedrooms, whether a host is a superhost or not. There is also a timeline here. Now I'm going to show the use of this dashboard. From the guest perspective, they can get information from multiple dimensions and then find better deals. Assuming that I would like to take my parents to visit New York City. Let's say I need an entire house with 2 bedrooms. The price in November and December are pretty fair, and I can take a vacation on November, let's say. And then I take my budget into consideration. I found that I can afford to living in Manhattan with the average price over $3,000, but I find a pretty good alternative. Living in Queens can save me half, and with the similar rating score. So I look up Queens. Oh, here we can see Astoria, which is 2 or 3 subway stations away from Manhattan. It's very convenient. And with this information, I can go to the official website and select my optimal listing. And on the other hand, from the host perspective, by analyzing publicly available information about Airbnb listing, they can get a big picture of the residential housing markets, which help to make better decisions. For example, with knowing how many listings are in my neighborhood, how much a host make from renting. Let's say I have one room available in East Village, Manhattan. I have a private room. I can see there are more than 100 listings available between November and December this year. To rent out my apartment quickly, I can lower my price below the average, let's say 95, to attract potential customers, or I can switch my cancellation policy from strict to flexible to encourage potential guests to make a reservation early. For the popularity of my room, keeping the number of reviews over 120 seems a really good marketing strategy. All right. In addition to the dashboard, I also create a heat map to illustrate the price level in New York City using Power Map. We can clearly see that at the financial district area, Midtown area, Upper East, Upper West are more expensive with dark red color. And I set up a timeline option and get an animation to show the change from July to December. It's a really beautiful functions here. Really amazing. And then I also create a visualization to show the popularity of a different area with the cluster columns, using the sum of review number to represent the popularity of a specific area. We can see the Toothbridge area, East Village, Upper Manhattan are popular choice. I guess they are more affordable and have convenient access to the center of the city. Alright, that's my midterm project. Thank you so much.